seems like everything is coming in at once. I got the malts here for the next brew, which is the peanut butter stout. Again, it gives me a nice box I can use somewhere, I guess. And I got the, I'm knocking stuff down all over here. This is my cherry. It's going to go into cherry beer. That's down here right now fermenting. We'll be kegging that in a week or so. And here's the 2 peanut butters. We're going to use 1 when we make that, but that's it. What we have is, okay. Okay, what we have is a storm coming. We're going to get about 2.5 feet of snow. And I got an unboxing to do, so let's try that one out. Okay. That's nice. I hate these kind of scissors. Like I say, I'm going to leave it apart and cut it open. Like I say, we got about, depends if we're on the other side. We get hit, about 2 feet of snow coming in the area, maybe more. So, I'm glad this package came in. And about 40 hours before the snow hits. So, unpacking video. Obviously, this is the charger. That's the battery. We'll get that charging in a few minutes. What else we got here? Packing materials and then the main unit. That's it, huh? Let's see how hard this is to put together. Okay. Hopefully you won't cut nothing major here. That off of there. Bag off. Looks like you fold the handle up. Oh, it's got a click in. And I want you to don't pinch your fingers. It's on the other side. Huh. This way. Yeah. Well. Just push the button like an umbrella. And man, my fingers are weak. There it goes. Then it locks in there. You got an adjustable handle. I guess this is to tighten it down so it don't come off. I don't know if the camera's picking all that up. That's tight. I'll leave the handle where it is. And, that's what she looks like. So, I'm not even sure which way's up and which way's down. Huh. And like this. Yeah. That's how it goes. So I guess you put your battery in. And there you go. So, that didn't take long to put together. Here's the instructions. We'll save that for another time. But for now, I have to do the main snow blower. Over there, over where I'm pointing, and get that ready. That's going to fire up. That's a gas unit. This is an 80 volt battery operated snow shovel from Greenworks, I guess it's called. Yeah, that just came, so let's see how the battery charging goes over here. You got a designated plug here that stays on all the time. So I'm going to use that to see how this battery's going to charge. That's a big one, 80 volts it says, so. 80 volts. Just got to figure out how to plug it in. It's always so dumb. Right here, I guess. So, put it in here once. Slide it in. It clicks, I guess, in place. Kind of a little click. Whoa, she drew some amps right away as soon as I plugged it in. Maybe it's supposed to be plugged in before you do that, but the hell's that? I have to read the directions again. It's actually making a noise. It's got a fan built in there. Never seen that before. Let's see if you can pick up on that. Yeah. And they got 3 lights on the front that are flashing. I'll read up on that. Maybe this battery comes pre-charged. But we'll leave it here for a few minutes and see what happens. But for now, I got to get going on that gas snow blower, make sure that's going to run because, like I say, we got a lot of snow coming. A lot. First snowstorm of the season. Just wanted to show the calm before the storm. Still get some leaves on that tree. It's supposed to get 2.5 feet of snow depending on where the lake effect sets up. But that's how it's going to work out. We bought a mat. This is called a Heatrex. It's a heated pad. It plugs into the wall over there. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, here's the controller. It's on right now. It's 30 degrees outside. I'm out here barefoot and this thing is warm as can be. The snow will melt. And I'll be able to open the door without shoveling, and the dog will be able to get out here, whatnot too. That's called a Heatrex, and it seems to be a good unit. We'll see how it holds up to the storm when it finally gets here, because she is a coming. The lake is warm and the sky is cold, and once the southwest wind sets up, you'll see what this mess looks like.